lost in night, in the wood, shadows fight. Gnomes take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hi Air Signs, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for November the 15th to November the 21st reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ayan. So, kung di nyo po maabutan yung ating live sessions doon, pwede naman po kayong magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Alright? Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin, no, ng yes or no na tanong or na sagot, ayan, pwede po kayong dumiretso na doon sa ating sa description box, nandun po yung link ng aking website. Ayan. So, nandun po yung how much per question, the name, the number for your reference. Ayan. I also created a 4 questions plus 1 to take advantage of it. If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no, sa ating description box. So, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Simulan na natin. So, air signs. So, ang nakikita natin dito, parang meron tao na gustong umamin, magsalita, no? Ng totoo niyang nararamdaman. I feel like bago ito sabihin, no? Parang feeling ko alam na nung receiver, no? Nung whether this is you or this is your person, no? What I'm reading here is the dynamic. Now, this situation may also apply to those who are in a situationship na wala pang relationship talaga or wala pang label, no? So parang bago mo pa yan sabihin, actually nararamdaman ko na, no? Kumbaga meron akong kutob, meron akong either na paniginipan ko or ang kailangan ko lang dito is yung verbal confirmation, no? Sabihin na nating merong ang pag-amin na ito ay isang magiging kumbaga bond, sagot doon sa mga katanungan. Although, ang nakikita ko naman, whether or not sabihin, no, or aminin, nangyayari na siya. What I'm trying to say here is, say for example, no, na this is a situational or a situationship, no? Hindi mo man sa akin aminin, hindi mo man sa akin sabihin, alam ko, deep inside your heart, na mahal mo ko. Pinapakita mo naman siya, nararamdaman ko naman, nakikita ko naman yung mga efforts, no? Kumbaga, hindi na natin dapat pinag-uusapan, pero mas maganda sana kung naririnig ko din, no? Naririnig ko din if you truly love me, kasi parang feeling ko napakatahimik, no? Yung iba naman dito, dahil meron ng relationship, nag-iba yung pace ng relationship. What I'm trying to say here is, nag-iba siya dahil naging complacent, naging sabihin natin na hindi ito yung pangkaraniwan na relasyon or ito yung pangkaraniwan na relasyon na nagkatamaran, no? Um, pero parang yung isa dito may plano na gusto kong ibalik yung dating init, yung dating lambing. No? So ayan. So those are just few of the situations. No? Wow, the Tower. Agad-agad with the Two of Cups and the Ace of Coins. So, chances are, kaya nagkakaroon ng ganitong pakikipag or ganitong nararamdaman dahil sa merong bigla ang pangyayari. No? It could be a disaster, destruction, no? Trauma. Yung bigla ang pangyayari na to parang yung ines, galit. No? With the Two of Cups. Wow. Parang kahit meron tayong gulo, no? Chaos. Alam ko na mahal mo pa rin ako, no? I feel like the separation in here is more of, or it's a combination of energetic and physical, no? So, physical separation, para po dun sa, kasi lagi ko tong sineseparate. Physical separation, this is a literal form na magkahiwalay kayo, no? Magkahiwalay kayo ng tinutulugan, magkahiwalay kayo ng lugar, no? Malayo sa isa't isa. Ang energetic is energetic separation. Pwede magkasama naman kayo sa loob ng iisang bubong, sa loob ng iisang classroom, trabaho, pero hindi kayo nag-uusap. So there's merong bounds, merong restrictions, no? May walls doon sa energies nyo kahit in physical form nakikita naman kayo. Kaya nga sabi ko dito, this is a combination. And which is medyo mahirap dahil malayo na nga kayo sa isa't isa, hindi pa kayo nagkakadinigan, no? Hindi pa alam kung ano ang nangyayari sa isa't isa. With the King of Cups and the Four of Wands. So I feel like whoever has this masculine energies, no? It doesn't necessarily mean na lalaki ito, no? Kasi meron ding mga babae na dominant doon sa kanilang partner, no? Dominant situation is probably, sabihin natin, ako tong si lalaki, boss ko si babae, so dominant na agad yon. Or when it comes to the house, ako yung nagdidesisyon, you know, kumbaga, meron ditong switch of roles na ako itong provider, si babae ang provider, no? Houseband si lalaki, no? But then again, it doesn't always, you know, kung sino dito yung pinaka-dominant, no? The masculine energy, yun yung, kumbaga sinasabi, I think, ako din, no, itong meron akong contribution. Bakit kami nagkaroon ng ganitong sitwasyon right now? Bakit kami magkahiwalay? Siguro meron akong mga nasabi, no? Na which is uncalled for. Meron akong mga ginawa, no? Just because I feel like I am the powerful one, no? I can do everything, no, dito sa relationship namin. But it kind of make me feel na this is not the case, no? Parang I realize that this is not the case. Parang this is a self-sabotage, no? Ang ganda-ganda nung nasa akin na. Ngayon, meron akong realization na ako pala yung sumira. Or malaki yung chunk, no, na ako yung may problema. So, now that I have this realization, I want to go back, no? I want to probably say, I want to apologize. Again, it may not be with the King of Cups. It may not be in a literal form or in a direct way of me saying I'm sorry, but this could be a gesture or it could also be a word, parang mga palipad hangin or mga pagpaparamdam, no? So eto na, nagpaparamdam na naman siya after na magkaroon kayo ng away, no? So parang sinasabi dito nung receiver, nung medyo feminine yung energy, na ayan na naman siya. Alam ko na yung sasabihin niya, no? Paghingi ng sorry or pag-amin ng totoo niyang nararamdaman. The dalawa, Judgment of the Seven of Swords. I feel like this situation nagkaroon ng third party, no? Third party may not always also mean tao agad, no? Well, the third party, the high percentage of it is the third party tao. Pero meron din naman third party na disaligned or na iba yung focus nila sa sobrang trabaho, career, no, or money, no? We're in napapabayaan, no, yung relationship. And ito yung parang naiisip niya na kaya ko pala ginagawa ito, no, para rin sa kanya. Probably I am just overwhelmed with the entire situation na kailangan pagbutihin ko, no, itong ginagawa ko, na nakalimutan ko yung pinag-aalayan ko, no, nitong tagumpay na ito, no. And for those who are in a situationship katulad ng sinabi ko, siguro ito yung bagay na sabihin natin hindi pa man nagiging kayo, meron agad sumingit, no, sa relationship. With the Five of Swords, the Sun, and the Queen of Coins. Ngayon may fear dito, no, si dominant energy. Again, whether this is you, whether this is your person, you can switch the energies. By the way, what I'm reading here is the dynamic, all right? Meron na naman magsasabi dyan, baligtad yung sitwasyon. Well, that's the point, no? It could be baligtad kasi nga, what I'm reading is the dynamic. But, ito pa rin yung nangyayari, di ba? Pinagpalit lang yung role. Let's go back. With the Five of Swords, the Sun, and the Queen of Coins, parang ang fear dito ng dominant energy is, huli na ba ang lahat? Matatanggap pa rin ba niya ako? Tatanggapin ba niya yung sorry ko? No? With the Knave of Cups and the Ace of Cups. Ngayon parang naisip nito, sana pala hindi ko na ginawa yung mga bagay na ikasisira ng relasyon namin. Sana pala hindi ko na sinagad, no, itong kabaitan, no. Hindi ko naman nakikita dito yung, well, siguro may take advantage, but not fully ito yung intensyon, no. Siguro, since hindi kasi umaaray, no, hindi ko alam na masakit na pala, parang kinimkim, inipon, and then nung pumutok, ayun. So hindi natin, kumbaga, hindi agad na pag-usapan, no? Now, meron pa ba akong chance, no? Ito yung tanong nitong dominant energy with the Five of Swords. I feel like, alam kong mahal pa rin ako ni person. Alam kong meron pa rin siyang nararamdaman sa akin. But I feel like hindi na siya ganon, and that I understand. But I hope na meron pang chance para bigyan niya ako mabigyan niya ako ng second chance, no? So, yeah, this is the reading. I feel like magkakaroon dito ng, bago pa man sabihin, no, itong paghingi ng tawad or ipakita na siya ay nagsisisi, napatawad na siya. Alam ko na, no, kung ano yung gusto mong gawin. Alam ko na kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari. But hopefully, hindi na to maulit, di ba? Kasi lahat naman ng tao nasasagad, no? So, lahat ng pinagsimulan may hangganan, no? So, this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart, no? I'm seeing Pisces, Scorpio, Taurus, Sagittarius, Leo, Cancer, Virgo, Libra. So this is your reading again, air signs. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Alright? Kung hindi po kayo papatulugan ng yes or no na sagot lang, no, dumiretso po kayo dun sa ating description box. There is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Now, please make sure to check on those QR codes, no? Nandun po yung how much per question, the name, the number for your reference. And I also created a 4 questions plus 1. Take advantage of it. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya sa ating description box. So this is your reading again. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.